Oh, just wait. Nauna ka na naman. Wala pa akong sinasabi. Aray ko, nahulog ako. Oh. Maghanap ka ng ilalagay mo. Oh. Oh. Go. First, ear. Oh, very good. Oh, saan dapat ilagay ang ear? Ay, bakit ganyan? Bakit ganyan? Ginaganyan mo yan? Get mo yun? Get mo? Ilagay mo lang maayos. Oh, this is ear. Can you point your ear? Where's your ear? Point mo yung ear. Ear. It's not eyes. Ear. Tenga. Look, this is your ear. Tenga. Tenga. Ear. Oh, the next. Teeth. Very good. Saan ang teeth? Oh, where's your teeth? Teeth. This is your teeth, oh. Palaging sumasakit. Teeth. Oh, yung tongue. Where's your tongue? This is your tongue. Sa loob. Tongue. The next eye. Just wait. Mouth. Where's your mouth? Oh no, I said mouth. Look at that mouth. Where's your mouth? Mouth. This is your, where's your mouth mo na? Where's your mouth? Can you point your mouth? Point mo yung mouth mo. Mouth. Yan, dyan yung mouth. Very good. Hair. Saan yan? Hanapin mo. Hair. Where's your hair? Can you point your hair? This is your hair. Hair. Oh, bro. Yung kilay. Ay, kailangan pa i-ganon. Ilagay mo na ng maayos. Saan? No, hanapin mo. Saan? Bro, this is your kilay. Where's your kilay? Point your kilay. Tank yan eh. Yung kilay. Kilay. Yan. Eyebrow. Eyebrow. Where's your nose? Get the nose. Nose. Oh. Saan ang nose? Very good. Oh, where's your nose? Ay, hindi yan. Nose. Nose. Very good. This is your nose. Oh, cheek. Oh, ito na. Cheek. 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 Saan? O, dyan ba yan? Dyan ba yan? Hanapin mo. Tingnan mo. O, hanapin mo. O. This is pisnge. Where's your pisnge? Head yan eh. Pisnge. This is your face. Pisnge. Chin, chin, chick, chick. O. Where's eye? Oh, where's your eyes? Can you point your eyes mo na? Point mo yung eyes mo. Saan ang eyes? Saan ang eyes? Kilay man yan. Eyes. Yan ang eyes. Oh, forehead. Oh. Forehead. Oh, where's your forehead? Very good.